Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 biology MCQs quick revision. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। शुक्रिया। Which part of the neuron receives impulses? Option A, axon, B, dendrites, C, synapse, and option D, all of the above. So the correct option is B, dendrites. Explanation is dendrites are branched extensions of neurons that receives electrical signals from other neurons and transmit them toward the cell body. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The exchange of gases in the lungs occurs in the option A, bronchi, B, bronchioles, C, alveoli, and option D, trachea. So the correct option is C, alveoli. Alveoli are thin-walled sac where oxygen diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Which gas stimulates breathing by acting on the respiratory center in the brain? Option A, oxygen, B, carbon dioxide, C, nitrogen, and option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is B, carbon dioxide. Elevated CO2 levels in the blood lower the pH, which is detected by the respiratory center in the medulla oblongata, stimulating breathing. The primary pacemaker of the heart is dash. Option A, right atrium, B, left atrium, C, right ventricle, and option D, left ventricle. So the correct option is A, right atrium. Explanation is the SA node, sinoatrial node. The heart's pacemaker is situated in the wall of the right atrium and initiates electrical impulses for heartbeats. Which structure in the eye is responsible for controlling the diameter of pupil? Option A, cornea, B, iris, C, lens, and option D, retina. So the correct option is B, iris. The iris contains smooth muscles that adjust the size of the pupil to control the amount of light entering into the eye. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The main nitrogenous waste excreted by the human is option A, ammonia, B, urea, C, uric acid, and option D, creatinine. So the correct option is B, urea. The human body excretes excess nitrogen, mainly urea, by the kidney, which is less toxic and water soluble. Which mineral is essential for muscle contraction and nerve impulse transmission? Option A, iron, B, sodium, C, calcium, and option D, phosphorus. So the correct option is C, calcium. Calcium ion play crucial role in muscle contraction, neurotransmitter release at synapse, and blood clotting. The exchange of the gases in tissues, oxygen out and carbon dioxide in, is known as option A, external respiration, B, internal respiration, C, cellular respiration, and option D, ventilation. So the correct option is B, internal respiration. So internal respiration refers to the exchange of the gases between systemic capillaries and body tissues, delivering oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. So this is very important MCQs. The valve between the left atrium and left ventricle is option A, tricuspid valve, B, pulmonary valve, C, mitral valve, and option D, aortic valve. So the correct option is C, mitral valve. It also known as bicuspid valve. The mitral valve controls blood flow from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a TECHNOLOGIST. Which of the following is responsible for the myelin sheath formation and the control in the central nervous system? Option A, Schwann cells, B, oligodendrocytes, C, astrocytes, and option D, microglia. So the correct option is B, oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes myelinate neuron in the CNS, while Schwann cells perform this role in the peripheral nervous system. The process by which white blood cells engulf pathogen is called option A, exocytosis, B, endocytosis, C, phagocytosis, and option D, pinocytosis. So the correct option is C, phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is when immune cells like macrophages and neutrophils engulf and digest harmful microorganisms and debris. Which part of the brain controls body temperature, hunger, and thirst? Option A, cerebrum, B, hypothalamus, C, pons, and option D, cerebellum. So the correct option is B, hypothalamus. The hypothalamus regulates hemostatic functions such as body temperature, appetite, and water balance. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which hormone increases blood calcium level by stimulating bone respiration? Bone resorption. Option A, calcitonin, B, PTH, parathyroid hormone, C, aldosterone, and option D, insulin. So the correct option is B, parathyroid hormone. PTH secreted by the parathyroid gland raises blood calcium by promoting calcium release from bone, enhancing absorption in the intestines and reabsorption in the kidneys. The main function of platelets in the blood is option A, transport oxygen, B, fight infection, C, blood clotting, and option D, maintain osmotic balance. So the correct option is C, blood clotting. Platelets are cell fragments that play a critical role in homeostasis by forming plugs at sites of vessel injuries. Which part of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Option A, right atrium, B, right ventricle, C, left atrium, and option D, left ventricle. So the correct option is D, left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, from where it is distributed throughout the body. So this is very important MCQs. Which muscle type is involuntary and found in the walls of the internal organs? Option A, skeletal muscle, B, cardiac muscle, C, smooth muscle, and option D, voluntary muscle. So the correct option is C, smooth muscle. Smooth muscles are involuntary, non-striated muscle found in organs like intestines, bladder, and blood vessels. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। द प्राइमरी साइट फॉर न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज ऑप्शन ए स्टमक, बी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, सी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, and option D, esophagus. So the correct option is C, small intestine. The small intestine, especially the jejunum and ileum, is where most digestion and nutrient absorption occurs due to its large surface area with villi and microvilli. Which of the following structures prevents food from entering the windpipe during swallowing? Option A, mouth, B, epiglottis, C, pharynx, and option D, larynx. So the correct option is B, epiglottis. The epiglottis is a flap-like structure that covers the trachea during swallowing, preventing food from entering the respiratory tract. The process of forming glucose from non-carbohydrate sources is called option A, glycolysis, B, gluconeogenesis, C, glycogenesis, and option D, lipolysis. So the correct option is B, gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis occurs mainly in the liver producing glucose from amino acid, lactate, and glycerol during fasting or starvation. Thank you for watching my videos.